Hey everyone, I wanted to let you know about some changes we're making here at Survivalist Prepper and some of the things that I plan on doing and a new website I've created because of all of that. I created the DIYprepping.net website because what I'm going to be doing here in the future is doing a lot of DIY projects. I want to test some of these DIY things you've heard about. I want to test them out and see what their SHTF worthiness is, so to speak. There's hundreds of different DIY prepping ideas out there. A lot of them seem pretty cool, but I want to see, how hard they are, how expensive they are. Are they really going to be worth it in an SHTF situation? A lot of these videos and tutorials you see will show you how to do something, and it seems pretty easy in their 2-3 minute video, but is it really that way? So I want to test some of those out. I'm also going to be doing a lot of gardening, food foresting this summer. Solar stuff. I'm going to be doing quite a bit with solar. I built this workbench right here. Right now I'm working on a couple of solar sun ovens. I've got this one, which I'm trying to make as close to the All-American Sun Oven as I can as far as efficiency. This isn't something you could make in an SHTF situation, but it's something you can make now because I want to do a lot of dehydrating. I'll be doing some canning and all sorts of different stuff too this summer. And I've also got this one that I'm in the process of making, which is a basic, just a sun oven that in an SHTF type situation, you could look around for supplies you have, put one together, and I want to see if it's actually going to be worth it. I'm not just going to, cook an egg. I want to see if it will actually cook or dehydrate stuff. So see if it's actually worth it. Stuff like that. I'm still going to be doing the same prepping type videos here that I do at Survivalist Prepper and the Academy, but I'm also going to be doing a lot of DIY stuff, getting my prepping stuff in order and kind of doing videos about that as well. So if you have any ideas about different DIY projects or something that you want to learn more about, is it worth it, is it not, I should do a video on this or that, let me know in the comments below. But a couple of these videos will be out shortly, and then after that I'll be doing some solar stuff and testing out some of these other DIY projects that I find, and I want to just see if they're actually worth it, if they're going to work. So with that, if you're not subscribed, make sure and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment below if you've got any ideas. We will talk to everyone later.